how many of you will love to, having your own personal genie? I think everybody will love it, right? So, in that case, what will happen, because that genie can give you whatever you wish in your life.
Close your eyes, ma'am. Start. Close your eyes.
Okay. So basically, what exactly the law of attraction? So, how many of you will love to, having your own personal genie? I think everybody will love it, right? So, in that case, what will happen, because that genie can give you whatever you wish in your life, because it is having, magical things with him. He can give you anything, so you will love to take it. But the problem was, when was God was creating it, he was confused, that because he really don't want to give that power to the bad people who will access this law of attraction easily and can misuse it. So God really want to give them the people who are good from their heart. So what God decided, he tried to put that thing inside the human being. So basically, when we see the people, the bad people, they search this law of attraction outside it, but basically that is inside the human being. So if you will look inside, you can easily attract anything you want in your life. So
Perfect. Superb. On dot. On dot.
Thank you.
You give madam a big round of applause, everyone. Yes. Now, Shiba madam, tell me how many paragraphs were these, and how easy it was in using this memory technique and memorizing. How easy it was? Please tell us.
Sure, sir. So absolutely, it was easy and fun, in fact, sir. Because when you club fun with your studies, so it give you more, easy to learn the things. It give you the clarity also. So, sir, now with these type of pictograms, I can learn the things easily. So thank you so much. I can retain it easily. So thank you so much, sir.
How many
Thank
paragraphs is this? Whatever you expressed.
It was around 5.5 paragraphs.
Fantastic. People, what I have in front of me, you all can see here. Okay. 5 to 6 paragraphs, madam has put it in 5 to 6 words, and she is able to retain the whole page almost. And that is something brilliant and massive. Yeah, congratulations, madam,
Thank you.
taking this memory journey, and you are able to memorize your law of attraction books also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.